Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the finest in automotive engineering and mobile living solutions. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a vehicle that promises to bridge the gap between a daily commuter and a fully-fledged adventure machine. We are looking at the 2026 Columbus, a stunning conversion by the UK-based specialists at Rolling Homes, built upon the highly sophisticated Volkswagen T7 chassis. If you've been searching for a camper van that drives like a luxury car but sleeps a family of four in absolute comfort, you might want to stick around for this one. Let us start with the foundation of this build. The Volkswagen T7 is a significant leap forward in terms of driving dynamics compared to its commercial predecessors. It offers a driving experience that is far closer to a passenger car than a traditional utility van. Rolling Homes has taken this modern platform and applied their signature craftsmanship to create the Columbus. This is not just another DIY conversion. Rolling Homes is one of the few qualified Volkswagen converters, meaning their work meets rigorous safety and quality standards that are fully certified. In a world of infinite aftermarket options, that official seal of approval offers peace of mind that is worth its weight in gold, especially when you consider safety factors like crash-tested seating. Visually, the Columbus is discreet yet stylish. Available in both short wheelbase and long wheelbase, the model we are discussing today is based on the short wheelbase. It measures just 5.05 meters in length and 2.02 meters in width. For those of you living in congested urban environments or dealing with narrow country lanes, these dimensions are a game changer. It means you can park in standard parking spots, navigate height barriers with relative ease depending on your roof setup, and use the vehicle for the school run or the grocery shop during the week without feeling like you were piloting a bus. Yet, despite this compact footprint, the interior engineering allows for a payload of around 425 kilograms and comfortable sleeping arrangements for 4 people. Stepping inside, the first thing that strikes you is the ambiance. The article describing this beauty notes that it aims to feel like home, and that's not just marketing speak. The fit and finish here are residential grade. We are talking about high-quality materials, precision joinery, and a layout that maximizes every square inch of the T7's interior volume. The insulation is a particular highlight. Rolling Homes uses sheep wool insulation. This is a fantastic natural material that manages moisture and temperature exceptionally well, keeping the van warm in winter and cooler in summer, while also providing excellent sound deadening for a quieter ride. When it comes to the culinary experience, the kitchen is compact but fully functional. It comes standard with a 50-liter fridge. A smart design choice here is that the fridge remains accessible even when the bed is fully extended, meaning you don't have to wrestle with the mattress just to grab a cold drink in the middle of the night. Alongside the fridge, you find a 2-burner gas cooktop with a glass cover and a sink that also features a separate cover to maximize counter space. For meal prep, there's a clever slide-in counter extension in the cutlery drawer, and dedicated cabinetry for cups and glasses ensures everything stays rattle-free while on the move. When it's time to eat, a fold-up dining table located inside the door can be set up quickly, or taken outside if you prefer al fresco dining. Sleeping arrangements are often the compromise in compact vans, but the Columbus handles this gracefully. The rear RIB bench folds flat to form a double bed, utilizing the underside of the seats to provide a flat sleeping surface. This is superior to using the contoured seating side, ensuring a better night's sleep. Above the bed, you'll find a Bluetooth speaker integrated into the ceiling and a large illuminated wardrobe. This wardrobe offers hanging space, which is a rarity in vans of this size, allowing you to keep clothes wrinkle-free. But where do the other 2 passengers sleep? That brings us to the pop-up roof. The upstairs bed features a sprung mattress, significantly enhancing comfort compared to basic foam pads. The canvas of the pop-top includes a full panoramic awning at the front, which can be unzipped to let in light and fresh air, complete with bug screens to keep nature at bay. Storage is another area that the Columbus shines. Aside from the wardrobe and kitchen cabinets, there's substantial storage in the back, both under and on top of the rear seats. The rear access allows you to reach the wardrobe shelves, effectively turning that space into a mini garage for gear or a dedicated closet depending on your needs. Interestingly, there are 2 large cubbies under the seat accessible from the inside. Rolling Homes suggests using one of these for a porta potty, which is the only bathroom facility you'll find on board. It's a dry bath solution, meaning it's there when you need it but tucked away when you don't. The systems on board are designed for off-grid capability and convenience. The van comes standard with a 105 amp-hour lithium leisure battery, which is far more efficient and lighter than traditional lead-acid batteries. You also get LED lighting throughout to set the mood and conserve power, blackout curtains for privacy, and diesel heating to keep the cabin toasty during those shoulder season trips. And if the standard spec is not enough, Rolling Homes offers a long list of options to fully customize the unit to your exact taste, from engine upgrades up to 170 horsepower to full leather upholstery. Of course, premium quality comes with a premium price tag. The starting price for the standard conversion sits around 73,000 British pounds, which translates to roughly 98,500 US dollars. A fully spec'd model like the one we're admiring today can easily push past $100,000. It's a significant investment, certainly, but for a vehicle that serves double duty as a luxury daily driver and a fully capable holiday home, the value proposition is strong for the right buyer. It's a testament to how far the campervan industry has come, offering no-compromise solutions for those who want to explore the world without leaving the comforts of home behind.